Manager Account is a feature that helps advertisers and their agencies have a unified view of all their accounts across account types and marketplaces. To get started, log into the Advertising or DSP console with the credentials you typically use to manage accounts. A Manager Account gives you a comprehensive view of insights and alerts for all your linked accounts, mainly around campaign performance and finances. First, go to the Campaign Manager and then select Manager Account in the top right account switcher. To get an overview of your campaign performance, visit the Account Overview dashboard by clicking Overview in the left navigation. Use the dashboard to quickly access insights across your brands, countries, and account types. Check this page first thing in the morning to get a quick glance if you are on track for your advertising goals. You can sort by metrics such as impressions, ROAS, spend, and compare them against another time period to check if your campaigns are performing as expected. It's also a good way to keep a tab on your advertising throughout the day, spot trends, and then dive deep into certain metrics. You can also export metrics such as sales, spend, and orders as a CSV file to help you understand the campaign performance for all your linked accounts. A Manager Account also lets you easily view and act on alerts such as payments due and account suspensions. Click on Billing and Payments in the left navigation menu to view a consolidated list of billing actions on the Billing and Payments page, like payment status, amount due, and unpaid invoices for all accounts. You can understand the total amount due and pay cumulative amount in one go, ensuring that your payments are made on time and campaigns keep running. Your accounts payables and finance teams can view and export all unpaid invoice details in a CSV file for all accounts. They can directly upload the CSV file in your accounting systems, saving you time with reconciling payments. If you are running multiple advertising accounts in several countries or across account types, a Manager Account might save you a lot of time and can give you a great overview. Try it yourself. Click Manage Your Accounts in the top right corner of your advertising console to create your Manager Account. To learn how to set up a Manager Account and use the dashboard, watch our other Manager Account videos.